Come on, Miles, drive a car. Drive your car.
Oh.
Come on, you got this. Drive your car. Come on. There you go. Drive your car. Up. Let go of the steering wheel. Now you're gonna crash. Go your steering wheel. Don't crash. Oh, there we go. Yay! Drive the car. Yeah. Good boy. Good job. Driving your car. There you go. Moving the car, man. That's what I'm talking about. Rolling backwards, too. Yum. 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 Yeah. Oh! Sudden jerk backwards. Woo! Oh no! I see the coppers. There you go. Turn on the car. I was like, oh jeez, I just turned on the car. Ah, I see. You're gonna freak out because the car's on. Uh-oh. Watch out for the stop sign. Yeah. Yeah. You're silly. He's like, oh, you cutie.